Hey, how you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. I just had a really nice chat with the woman at the coffee shop. She is learning English.
Oh, that's wonderful. How is it going for her?
It's going well. She was a little shy, but she tried. She said, "One coffee, please, and have a good day." It was really nice.
That's the best way to start. Small steps. I was just thinking about this yesterday. My friend from Japan, Kenji, he asked me for advice. He wants to improve his English.
It's a common question. So many people want to learn. What did you tell him?
I told him the first thing is to not be afraid. But he said, where do I even start? Listening, speaking, reading?
That's a great question. I think a good place to start is listening. Just listen.
I agree. You need to get your ears used to the sounds of English. What's a good way to do that for a beginner?
Music is a great way. Find some simple English songs. Pop songs are often good because the words are easy and they repeat.
That's a good idea. You can listen to the song many times, and then you can look for the words online. You can read and listen at the same time.
Exactly. And movies, of course. Watching movies is a fun way to learn.
But movies can be very fast. It can be difficult for a beginner.
That's true. So at the start, you can watch with subtitles in your own language. You can enjoy the story and hear the English.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. So you are not stressed. And then later?
Later, you can try watching with English subtitles. You see the word and you hear the word. It helps your brain connect them.
I do that sometimes with French movies. It really helps. What about podcasts?
Well, of course. Listening to a simple podcast is a perfect way to practice. You can listen on the bus or when you are cooking dinner.
Right, so listening is step one. But what about speaking? For many people, that is the most difficult part. They are scared to talk.
It is scary because you are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, Kenji said that. He said, I don't want to sound stupid.
I always tell my students, mistakes are okay. Mistakes are your teachers. When you make a mistake, you learn.
That is so important. So, how can a beginner start speaking?
Start small. You don't need to have a long conversation. Just learn a few useful phrases.
Like your friend at the coffee shop. A coffee, please. Thank you.
Exactly. Or when you go to a store, you can say hello and goodbye. Just little things.
That builds confidence. And you can practice at home, too.
How? By talking to your cat?
Yes, you can talk to your cat, or you can just talk to yourself. I know it sounds a little strange.
Tell me more. What do you mean?
You can walk around your house and name things. This is a table. This is a blue chair. I am opening the window.
Oh, I love that idea. There is no pressure. It's just you. You can practice the sounds of the words.
Yes, and you can talk about your day. Today I will go to work. I will eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I am happy today. Simple sentences.
That is a fantastic tip. It's like a private English lesson with yourself.
So we have listening and speaking. What about reading?
Reading is a great way to learn new words. And for beginners, there are many easy things to read.
Like what? Not a big newspaper, right?
No, not at first. A big newspaper article can be hard. I suggest children's books.
Children's books, of course. The stories are simple and they have pictures.
The pictures help you understand the words. If you see a picture of a dog and the word dog, it's easy to learn.
That's true. And you can read things in your everyday life.
Like what?
Like a menu in a restaurant. You can see the words chicken, rice, water, or look at signs on the street. Stop, go, exit.
Yes. And in the supermarket, you can read the labels on the food. You see the box of cereal, you read the word cereal. It connects in your mind.
It's about seeing English in the real world, not just in a book.
Exactly. So that leaves the last big skill, writing.
Writing can be a challenge. People worry about grammar and spelling.
Yes, but just like with speaking, you can start small. You don't need to write a perfect story.
So what's a good first step for writing?
Keep a small notebook, a diary. Every day, write one sentence in English.
Just one sentence.
Yes. For example, today was a sunny day. Or I ate an apple for a snack. That's it.
That sounds easy to do. It's not a big task, so you will do it every day.
And then, after a few weeks, you can try writing 2 sentences, then 3. It grows over time.
I have another idea for writing practice.
What is it?
Write your shopping list in English.
Oh, that's clever. So instead of writing in your language, you write milk, bread, eggs, apples.
Right. It's simple, it's useful, and it's practice.
I feel like all these ideas connect to one big idea.
What's that?
Making English a part of your daily life. It's not just something you study, it's something you do.
Yes, that's the key. Immersion. You want to surround yourself with English.
You can do that easily with your phone. Change the language on your phone to English.
That's a great tip. A bit difficult at first, but you learn everyday words like call, message, and settings very quickly.
Another fun tip is to use sticky notes. You can write the English word for things in your house and put the note on them.
So you put a note that says chair on a chair and window on a window.
Yes, it looks a little funny, but it works. You see the word every time you see the object. It's a great way to remember vocabulary.
So for my friend Kenji, the advice is not just study hard, it's live with English.
Yes. Listen to music on your way to work. Say hello at the coffee shop. Read the menu for lunch. Write 1 sentence before you go to sleep.
It's about doing small things often. Consistency is so important.
I agree. 5 or 10 minutes of practice every day is much better than 2 hours on a Sunday.
And most important of all,
it should be fun.
Exactly. If you like the music, if you enjoy the movie, if you are proud of your 1 sentence, you will continue to learn.
Learning a language is a long journey. You have to enjoy the road.
Wow, this was a great conversation. I feel like I have a really clear plan for my friend now.
Me too. So to sum it all up for everyone listening, to learn English, start with small, simple steps.
Listen to things you enjoy, try to speak, and don't worry about mistakes.
Read easy things around you. Write 1 sentence a day.
And try to make English a part of your life. Be patient with yourself and have fun.
That's perfect. Well, thank you so much to all of our listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. We hope this conversation helps you on your English learning journey.
We'll be back next time. Until then, keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.